Hey kids, and welcome to the very first day of a very Windows Christmas. This is an exciting moment for me. I've been waiting 7 months to make this, thing here. 7 or 8 months, Yeah, I originally had this idea back in April 2024, but I've never acted really upon it because, well, December wasn't here yet. Well, now it is, so. Cool, right? Now, people may be wondering, what the hell is A Very Windows Christmas? Well, if you wanna find out what the hell this series is, like, in more detail, then you can go check out the ending part of Codename Bootleg Episode 6, which I'll have linked in the cards up here. Hopefully I don't forget. But basically, every day from December 1st to December 25th, I'll have a new a new unscripted Windows video, and each Christmas has a certain theme, Wait, did I say 1st to the 25th? I meant 1st to the 24th. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I slipped up in the Codename Bootleg Episode 6 episode and said 1st to 25th instead of 1st to 24th. Because this will only last from the 1st to the 24th, okay? So, yeah. Anyways, let's begin with day 1 of A Very Windows Christmas. So, for day 1, we are going to be doing a casual install of Windows XP using this very legit disk. Now, I do have a legit Windows XP disk. Well, it's for Home Edition, but yeah. But it's only an upgrade copy, so it would only work if we had ME or 2000 on this machine right here, which, yeah, we can get 2000 on here, but I'd rather just do a clean install. And speaking of which, we have the $80 Toshiba Satellite. Yeah, you'll love to see it. So, let's, so what do you say? Should we get started? Well, I think we should. I'm just gonna turn it off. Energy saver. There we go. The disk tray is out, and in goes our disk. Our very, very legit disk. Okay, F12. Pretty sure this is the F12 key. Yeah, it is. CD, DVD. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing a little casual install of Windows XP, You could probably already tell, but yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't know if this is going to come out too great on camera. There you go. I know it doesn't look too great on camera, but, it's fine. You can still sort of see it. Is it better? Maybe that's better. Okay. I'm just gonna let this do its thing. Okay, so I've actually been installing more recent operating systems on this recently, so yeah, I know exactly how to fix this problem. Oh, okay, there you go. So we're gonna go to advanced, In state controller mode, we're going to set this to compatibility. There we go. Welcome to setup. Press F8 to agree. Unpartitioned space, and of course we're going to use NTFS quick, and we're off. We are off. Alright. Restarting. Hooray! Okay. We finally gotten to this screen. We've gone through this process like 100 times on this channel. And we need a product key, don't we? Oh, we don't need a product key, okay. No. This computer name is Tosh. That's what I call it, Tosh. We should have the OOBE video. Or at least the OOBE video. The OOBE. Just the OOBE in general, you know? Please wait. Okay. Okie dokie, that looks okie dokie. And there's our intro video. No sound, just the intro video. Yeah, I mean, Windows XP was never designed with this laptop in mind. Or rather, this laptop was never designed with Windows XP in mind. This laptop, I'm pretty sure, came with Windows 7. So, yeah, I don't know if it's really casual. Well, there's our friend, Mr. Question Mark. Okay, not right now. Who will use this computer? Glad you asked. Oh, okay, you can't press enter. You gotta press next. Thank you. And didn't ask us to connect to the internet, because, you know, there was a... I don't know if there was even any network card in here. I actually don't think there is any. If we wanted to actually, like, you know, connect to the internet, we would have to use Ethernet. Which would be weird. But yeah, here we are. Clean install of XP. So let's go to the control panel, see if we can adjust the screen resolution, because everything is a little stretched, as you can see. Take control of Windows XP. We might do that. I don't know. Change the sound scheme. Why did I go into the sounds? Let's go into here. Change the screen resolution. Oh, we can go to 1024 by 768. Yeah, I mean, everything's a little more tiny. I'm gonna put the recycle bin up here. There we go. Yeah, we can Tor Windows XP. Yeah. We had no sound, so it's gonna make it kind of difficult to progress through the Tor. Is this an earlier version of the Tor? I mean, we are on Service Pack 3. If we go Winver, I really need an external keyboard for this. I actually don't think that was an. Actually think that was a B, not an N. I need an external keyboard. Yeah, we have Service Pack 3 installed, so I don't know why. Meanwhile, with the same ISO, when I go to the XP Tor, it uses the correct, the Tor with like 5 options, right? Yeah, we got a main problem calculator, notepad. Oh, that's scary. Let's see, we got we got paint. We can doodle some stuff in here. Oh boy. Was my very sloppy attempt at an XP logo. What else we got? Games. Oh, we got Minesweeper. Well, hey, we got pinball. We got 3D pinball, bitch. Okay, if I put the laptop closer, it's gonna be much easier to play. Yeah, we won't have any sound, of course, but hey, it's fine, right? Oh no, how was that fair, brother? I don't know how I missed that. But yeah, we got oh, I'm on the leaderboard? Oh, thank you. Let me see if I can try to do that cheat there. The cheat code. I don't know if I did it quick enough. Yeah. If you typed hidden test to startup, you would be able to, like, move the ball, like, with the mouse. Wait, though. Yeah. Thank me later. Of course, you got solitaire. You can't forget solitaire here. Timeless, you know? I know, that's a 3 of clubs, not 3 of spades. Okay. Well, we got Windows Media Player, but we won't be able to play anything. Like, we won't be able to play any sort of audio. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I see. Ah, okay, I see now. So they're all just HTML pages being displayed in IE. Okay, well, that's cool, isn't it? So yeah, that wraps up day 1 of A Very Windows Christmas. And see you on day 2, where we'll do a casual install and exploration of Windows Vista. Bye.